Hi everyone, Anat Kessler here with a new paper perk, and we are now at paper perk number 22, and it is the season for hearts, so I made some hearts for you. So you can download these hearts at the paper perk Facebook group. There are 15, the last 15 paper perks are there for you to download at any time. So you have two of each design here, and each design comes in two sizes, and they're really cute for any Valentine card, mini album page, junk journal, tags, whatever you want to make with them. They're really fun and pretty, and they have sort of a vintage kind of a design. So this is for the Paper Perk group on Facebook. You can go ahead and download it there. For our coffee supporters, the one-off supporters and the monthly supporters, I added two tags so you can incorporate the tags with any design, with the hearts or without the hearts. They come in two sizes and two designs. This one has a really pretty moon face on it, again with the vintage feel to it. I'm going to design one of the tags with the hearts and show you how to use both. And also something special for Valentine's Day, you have a list of love words in coffee that you can go ahead and get for really just a few bucks. And these words are really, well, lovable. And again, you can incorporate them in any project that you want to make, cards, scrapbook pages, and you can of course download them and print them as many times as you want. So you have 3 designs for each word or phrase and different fonts. So this also has a vintage feel to it, and it's really cool. You can go ahead to Ko-fi and download it there, and the links are all under the video in the description. So I'm going to go cut out everything and be back to show you the tutorial. Okay, so I cut a few things. This is the border from Paper Perk number 19 that you can of course mix and match everything, and I just want to ink the edges. And then here I'm going to just add the hearts with a little safety pin, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And here we're going to make a pocket. This is also one of the borders. Obviously I don't need the entire length, but I am going to ink everything. Okay, so these are the ball pins. I'm going to put the link for these pins, these safety pins, in the description under the video so you can get those. So what I want to do is add this here. Since 3 are too narrow and 4 are too wide, I'm just going to center this so I'll get the effect of the scallops. Of course you can either cut it a little bit narrower so it will fit, only 3 will fit, or like I'm doing, or my scissors, you can just center it more or less. So I'm going to cut off the excess. It's not exactly centered. This one is now glued. ink the edges of this entire tag. Now, what I want to do is add the hearts onto the safety pins. So, not very close to the edge. Just poke it. You can actually, you know what? I'm just going to bring something to make a hole. It's going to be much neater this way. This is my awl. This I use for bookbinding and junk journal making and all that. So you see it's like a dingly dangly sort of. So we're going to attach those as well. Just need to make holes in all of them. Actually, I also want to add some of my words. And what I did here, you can see that the love, adore, and sweet are a little shiny. So basically what I did is I added glossy accent. I'm going to link that too. This is a sort of, well, it can be a glue, but what it gives is a layer of shiny coat on top of things like this. For example, you need to wait until it's dry before you can use it. So we're going to put this first. And then we're going to put the hearts. And then we have a dingly dangly like this. This is really cool. So I want to cut the other two and thread them and be back. Okay, so what else I wanted to say, so this is sort of a dimensional medium because when you add it, it stays thick. So it gives you a coat of glossy, well, accents, this is name. It gives you a glossy finish to anything that you want. And it's kind of fiddly to do it after you cut the words. That's why I first did it when the words were still on the page and then cut them off. Okay, so let's just add a hole here. And then another pin. So what I want to do is thread those on some lace, like this. So we're going to add the lace on the page, on the tag, sorry, like this, and have them dangle. Isn't that cute? So don't need this anymore. I'm going to add a little bit of glue. Make sure that the pins are all the way down. Okay, so just to secure this, I like to just glue it on the back, just to make sure that the lace is secured. This way it also has a nice finish on the sides. So you have your dingly danglies, and then this one will go on top. And of course you can make an entire border with these, with the words and the hearts just dangling like that. And you can insert this tag. This can be a base for a card. You can add this to a junk journal. You can have this as a card, whatever you want. It can even be, can make another one, put it back to back and have it as a small flap or insert or mini album page. So these are really cute. And here, what I wanted to do is, let's first attach the heart. So I'm only applying glue where I want the heart to sit. Like this. And what I want to do is create sort of a little pocket. So I'm going to apply glue on the border, but not on this part of the heart, just the sides and the bottom, like this. So I can insert things in it. So let's just, sorry about the noise, a little bit of construction here on the street. Just ignore it. So let's just ink all the edges. So again, this tag is really, you can add words. So I have here a little dye paper that you can write on, add some words on. Let's add I'm yours, for example. This is just, you can use these words. And by the way, when you use hearts and love words, it's not just for Valentine's. It can be for Mother's Day, for a boyfriend or a girlfriend, for a birthday, for whatever, anniversary, wedding, whatever. Whenever you want to love someone, which is basically all the time, right? So, let's put it like this. So then you have your little pocket. And of course you can stack things. You can, let's say you have another heart, you can add that too in here, or you can add it here. You can stack and layer whatever you want. So here you have your tags for, well, Valentine's, but whatever you want. By the way, we can add a little bit of lace here as well. That will look pretty cool. Tuck that under there. Well, you see the idea. You can just have fun with the tags and the designs. So I really hope you like this tutorial. Go ahead to the Paper Perks group to download your Paper Perk freebie, and then jump to Ko-fi to get your words, your love words, and your supporters printable as well. So I want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I believe everyone can be creative, and I have a mission to just make you comfortable with crafts and your creation and creative process. And I just want all of you to be inspired and have ideas to create easy, fun, and beautiful projects. So this is one of them. So just to make sure that you don't miss anything, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and join me twice a week when I upload my videos. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.